Hey kids! Color Creation welcomes you to this delightful segment of puzzle. Yes kids, today we will try to solve an animal puzzle and we will try to guess the animal as well. Shall we see? Let's go! Okay, why don't we go for the head first? Look like the animal has black and white stripes. Oh, not the correct one, I guess. Oh, the leg is coming right up. Here is the body. Kids, we are almost done. We have to be very careful now. Here goes the another pair of legs. That's the tail. Kids, can you guess the animal? It's a zebra. Zebras are mammals that are known for their black and white stripes. They belong to the horse family of animals. They live in various parts of Africa. Did you know that zebra stripes are like fingerprints? No two zebras are alike. This helps to identify individuals. That's it for today, kids. See you in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.